What is up, you guys? Hope you had an amazing week of trading and that you're entering into a lovely weekend. For all of you guys who didn't know, I do have a free Telegram community for Forex. It's basically just a group chat where you can share your stuff, you can ask questions, you can share videos. It's just a community. We call it the Forex family. And it's completely free to join. So I just wanted to come out here and tell you guys that the link is in the description. If you haven't joined it yet, why not join it? Especially if you're still a beginner, maybe it is good to be on there. There's also some guys giving out analysis, and I will be giving out some free signals on there as well starting next week, so on Monday. But why not click the link in the description below and join it today. Now this week was crazy. I think we're heading into a recession, so more videos on that soon. But I'm not gonna put as much content out there in the next maybe 1 or 2 weeks. I'm gonna wait till the situation with the banks slows down. But I've heard a couple of things that makes me think that we're heading into a recession very soon. But anyways, I will keep you guys updated. Join the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.